Bright Star Kingdom. Types of houses. A house is a special place where people live and make memories together. There are many different types of houses. Houses can come in different shapes, sizes, and styles. A hut is a place made of natural materials like wood, leaves, and sometimes even mud. Huts are a bit different from regular houses because they are simple and close to nature. Huts have been used by various cultures, typically in rural or remote areas. A cabin is a small, rustic, and often cozy house, typically located in natural or rural settings such as forests, mountains, or near bodies of water. The walls, roofs, and floors are made from natural materials such as wood. A farmhouse is a type of house that is usually found in the countryside or on a farm. It is a traditional and charming style of home. A farmhouse typically has a large, spacious structure with a pitched roof and a wide front porch. The exterior is often made of wood or stone, giving it a rustic and natural look. A hotel is a special place where people can stay when they are away from home. It is like a temporary home for travelers. A hotel usually has many rooms where guests can sleep, relax, and freshen up. Hotels often have a reception area where guests check in and friendly staff members are available to assist them. An apartment is a type of living space that is usually part of a larger building with multiple units. It is a compact and self-contained home for individuals or families. Apartments are designed to maximize the efficient use of space. They typically consist of multiple rooms, including a living room, bedrooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom. An igloo is a unique type of house made entirely of ice and snow. It is traditionally built by people who live in cold, snowy regions like the Arctic. An igloo has a dome-like shape with a rounded entrance. It is constructed by stacking blocks of compacted snow, which act as excellent insulators, keeping the interior warm. A castle is a magnificent and grand structure that was commonly built during medieval times. It is a large fortified building that served as a home for noble families and a symbol of power and protection. Castles are usually situated on elevated land, with thick stone walls and towers. They were designed to withstand attacks and provide defense during times of war. A bungalow is a cozy, single-story house known for its low roof and wide front porch. Often designed with an open layout, bungalows maximize space and natural light. They typically feature simple, functional designs with an emphasis on comfort and accessibility. Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like and share with friend and family.